Here I am at ASH 2019, and my key take-home messages for patients with multiple myeloma is the plethora of new therapies that are coming along based on using your immune system to attack your disease. There are a lot of therapies that are non-chemotherapeutic, relatively safe, what we call immunotherapies, utilizing your own immune system to attack the disease. And antibody-based therapies, which have revolutionized lymphoma treatment, are really revolutionizing myeloma therapy. And I would say that ASH 2019 really builds on the massive improvements in treatment we've seen over the last 10 to 15 years. And you keep wondering, as a myeloma physician, when the excitement's going to stop, because the treatments are just coming online and there is always more therapies that seem to be coming available each year.